What's going on, everybody? This is Adele. I am 1337 FOREX, and today we will be discussing my week 2 update on the FTMO challenge. If you do not know what the FTMO challenge is, I did do a quick overview on it on my last video, so check it out. But I'm just gonna get straight into it today. It's been a pretty rough week. Not gonna lie to you guys. I had a really good Monday. I had 3.3% on Monday. I was really focused, but then on Tuesday morning I had a medical issue in the house, and I should have stopped trading. Unfortunately, when I did have to call the ambulance, everybody's okay. I was already in a trade, so I had to close that out at loss, and it was just a mess from there. All right, I should have just stopped trading, but I felt like I was forcing it midweek, so. But I'll get back into it. Alright, so Monday we did, I had a major personal issue Tuesday morning. Should have stopped trading there. Really threw me off my tracks. Monday was really nice, 3.3%. The account after Monday was up 7.1%. So, yeah, I was pretty close there. But all in all, I had a break-even week. 0.2% for the week. So that's considered break-even in my eyes. So yeah, 2 winning days, 3 losing days. I'll go over all the trades with you guys. And yeah, I was gonna reset this weekend, unwind, and get ready for the next week. Going forward, I will be focusing primarily on Euro USD and GBP USD. I'm only going to trade other USD pairs if they have a higher time frame setup. So I'm not going to be looking at the shorter time frame on any other USD pairs. Alright, so the account is currently up 4%. It's almost at 4.1%. Pretty much break even. I'm up a couple $100 from my last update, but that's okay. I still have skin in the game. I haven't broken any rules, so just gonna try it again this week. Alright, let's go to the account metrics. Alright, so let's start on the left here. Everything's the same. You can see my curve chart. Had a really good Monday. Was up 7.1% on Monday. And then I had 3 losing days in a row. I was just really, really off track. My mind was not there. And that should tell you to not trade when you have things going on in your personal life. Just get up, walk away. Maybe go to the gym, maybe go for a walk. Just reset, okay? Don't try to force trades, because whenever you try to force trades, you will lose money, okay? So I knew this going in, but I don't know. I made some stupid mistakes this week. I'm going to try to avoid going forward, but like I said, you live and you learn. And like I said last week, could've, should've, would've. So you can't dwell on it. You just gotta move on. And then Friday, I just was happy to get back to break even. And once I show you my trade on Friday, I could have finished the challenge. I could have gotten 6, 7, 8% just on Friday alone. But I was just too worried about just getting back to break even so I can restart. Account is up 4%. 4% on the account. I have not violated the max loss. That's at 1.7%. That's fine. Max daily loss. A little higher than I would like, but not even close to the 5%. I'm at 1.9% now for the challenge, and I do not plan on making I do not plan on having a day worse than what I had on, I think, Wednesday when I lost 1.9%. Okay. On the first trading day this upcoming week, I will have 10 trading days, so that will be another objective completed, which will leave me with my only last objective, which is the 10% target that I will now aim for. I have about 2 weeks of good trading days left, so I should be able to do it. I'm not too worried about it. Just got to stay focused, got to stay disciplined, and have to have risk management. Okay? I took 12 more trades this week. Very low win percentage. But my average risk to reward is about 2 to 1, so that's not too bad. I'm gonna work on that as well. But as you can see, my average profit is almost double as my average loss because I let my runners run and I cut my losers short. But that hurts me sometimes, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here because I kill the potential of a lot of trades because my stop losses are so tight. 15 pips, maybe 10, maybe sometimes 20 pips. But we'll go over that as well. All right, day by day here. 24th, 2 trades, 3,300. And then that was Monday, so that was my best day of the week. And then 2 trades on Tuesday. 4 trades on Wednesday. As you can see, 3 losing days in a row. So, but it's okay. All I did was really lose my winnings from Monday. So we'll just work on getting better from here. And then Friday, I just came back to break even. I had a good day Friday too. But like I said, Friday could have been the completion of the challenge, and I'll go over that at the end. Lot of losers here. So Monday I got 90 pips on UJ, and that was my best trade of the week. So we'll go over that as well. Let's see here. Looks like I'm trading. Most of my profits are from GBP USD and AUD USD. I am selling most of the time, and actually whenever I've been buying, I'm actually losing money. Statistics here. Alright, let's go over the trades. Alright, 12 trades. As you can see, a lot of my stop losses were hit. I only had 1 take profit hit this week. The rest of them were just prematurely closed at a win or lose. Okay, so let's see. I only had 1 Euro USD trade. This was on Friday. I got in right here. The trade went 6 pips in drawdown. It went 24 pips in profit. As you can see here, my take profit did not get hit. And when it broke these lows, I moved my stop loss to break even. Too fast, again. But that's okay. It went in profit and then it retraced on me. It took me out exactly at the high. Again, I had this problem again last week. And as soon as I did that, it took me out of break even. It took me out of 2 pips profit. It would have hit my stop loss. It would have hit my take profit, sorry, which is 28 pips. So that's one that I could have gotten 1.5% on just this trade. NZUSD. This was probably my worst trade of the week. I don't know what I was thinking. Really off track. Really not in sync. You know. So here I bought. I'm assuming looking back, I was targeting these triple highs. I was thinking maybe there's liquidity up there. So I was thinking, okay, it's probably just going up there to take those highs. But instead, NZUSD was pretty weak. So it was actually targeting the lows here, these double lows, and that's what was happening on for the rest of the week. But yeah, this was probably my worst trade of the week. This one actually hit my stop loss. It actually did its job. So GBP USD, I had 3 trades. Let's see. Okay, my first trade of the week. This one really bummed me out. Because I was right about it, but my stop loss has been too tight. So I got in here shorting it. It went 4 pips in profit, and then it went 15 pips against me, and it took me out. Stop loss exactly at the high again. So this could have been a 3%, 4% trade. Had I not have that stop loss. You know, sometimes it feels like the market is literally moving just to take you out, but the market doesn't know where my orders are. You know, so I'm just a little fish. I'm not anybody. So that feeling just is starting to fade away. Starting to blame my risk management. It's just a little bit too tight, but I try to be very conservative. I don't like to take big losses, so control risk at all times. So I'm okay with this. This trade went 15 pips. It took me out at negative 15, but it did go, let's see, 51 pips. So that's about 2-3% there. had this stop loss not been hit. Okay, this one was a buy, but it was too early. I saw this move up, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. So I was buying. I believe I was targeting a high on the left here somewhere, and that was just too early. Should have waited for the retracement back here, and then I should have entered. So that's that. Then I have one more trade on Friday. This trade, I was selling GBP USD. It went about 15 pips against me, but it did not hit my stop loss, thank God. I was targeting all these lows, okay? Targeting all these lows. That was my my model here. And as soon as I took my profit below these lows, I walked away. But had I managed this trade properly, it was a Friday evening. Friday morning. I do not like to hold trades on Friday past New York time at noon. The probabilities just drop a lot. So I just took my profit. But had I held on to this trade, instead of 30 pips, I could have gotten almost 150 pips. This would have completed my challenge. Okay, it would have completed my challenge. So maybe next week I'll work on manually managing my take profits. If I see it moving quickly, or I see dollar rising quickly, I will manually work on that. I'll see what I can do there. Okay, so that's that. USD JEPI, I traded this pair. Let's see, I traded this pair 7 times. 7 times. Traded this the most. I started off on my best trade of the week, which was Monday. Very little drawdown, maybe 5 pips. And this one, originally I had my take profit right below this low, but I was actually manually managing my take profits here. I was watching it move down. I was lowering my stop loss as it was moving. I was lowering my take profit as it was lowering. And I finally set my my take profit to 110.30, but it didn't reach it. And I was watching this live, so as soon as it retraced a little bit, I just took it out. And I was aiming for a 100 pip move. It went for, let's see, it went for 90 pips on this move. So this was a 4% increase on my account. And this is the trade that I won on Monday, but lost Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But because my winners are so much higher than my losers, I ended up break even at the end of the week. Okay. I was trying to catch the drop on UJ all week, and it finally dropped 215 pips on Friday. But I was so tired of this pair that I didn't want to trade it anymore. But as you can see, I missed out on the big move that I was aiming for. So sell, 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 sell. These were all sells targeting the lows, and I was just too early. So too early and off time, off tune, you name it. It was just not the best week for me. This is actually motivating me more than ever to get laser focused. Gonna focus only on GBP, USD, and Euro USD. So yeah, that's all we can go from here. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, just let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate all your support. I hope to pass this challenge with you guys, document my process, and get to the verification and funded stage. And also, I hope this motivates any other fellow traders out there who have trouble getting capital but need some funding to get started. This is a great opportunity. So I hope to share this experience with you in the future. And yeah, like I said, if you guys really like my content, I would greatly appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube. I will be discussing my trading techniques in the future. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, just let me know down below. All right, you guys have a good one and take care.